Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate HubSpot workflows to automate lead nurturing, full guide step by step clearly. First, log in to your HubSpot account. Navigate to the Automation tab in the main menu. Click on Workflows from the drop-down menu. In the top right corner, click on the Create Workflow button. You will be presented with several workflow options. Choose either a blank workflow or one of the pre-made templates. Once selected, give your workflow a descriptive name. Next, select the type of workflow that fits your needs, such as a contact-based workflow. After that, set the enrollment criteria for leads that will trigger the workflow. Use filters like lifecycle stage, lead score, or source to define your criteria. Click Save to confirm your enrollment criteria. Now, add the first action by clicking the plus icon. You can select actions such as sending emails, updating properties, or notifying team members. For example, to send a nurturing email, choose Send Email from the action options. Select the email you want to send or create a new one if needed. Continue adding actions based on your lead nurturing strategy. Consider using delays between actions to space out communications. To add a delay, click on the plus icon and select Delay. Set the duration according to your nurturing plan, such as days or hours. Once you have configured the actions, review the workflow in the right panel. Make any necessary adjustments to timing or actions as needed. When you're satisfied, click the Review button to check your settings. Ensure that the enrollment triggers and actions meet your objectives. Once confirmed, click Turn On to activate your workflow. Your workflow is now live and will begin automating lead nurturing. Monitor its performance through the Analytics dashboard. Make adjustments as needed based on engagement metrics and lead interactions. Regularly review and optimize your workflow to ensure maximum effectiveness. This ensures that your lead nurturing process remains efficient and targeted. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.